What materials of socks can be printed by sock printer? Socks printers can work with a variety of different sock materials, depending on the type of ink the printer has. Here are a few common sock materials and what sock printers can typically handle. Cotton. Cotton is one of the most common sock materials, favored for its comfort and breathability. High-quality cotton socks typically absorb printing ink well, making the pattern clearly visible. Polyester. Polyester is a synthetic material that has good durability and color retention. Sock printers can print bright and long-lasting patterns on polyester socks and are often used in the production of sports socks and functional socks. Nylon. Nylon socks are also suitable for sock printers. Nylon has high elasticity and strength, which makes it suitable for printing detailed patterns. Wool. Wool is another natural fiber commonly used in sock production. Although wool socks can be more challenging to print than cotton or synthetic fibers, modern printing technology can be adjusted to accommodate the characteristics of wool to achieve high-quality printing. Bamboo fiber. Bamboo fiber socks are known for their softness and antibacterial properties and can also be printed using a sock printer. Socks printers are often equipped with print settings that adapt to different material characteristics, such as temperature control and ink type, to ensure the best printing results on a variety of materials. Different materials may require different pre- and post-processing steps to ensure optimal adhesion of the printing ink and durability of the pattern. Therefore, it is very important to consider printer compatibility and ink type when choosing sock material.